Hey, welcome to the Brooklyn Brothers. Today we're making our ultimate comfort food. It's called Sunday gravy.
All right, we have some ribs, some meatballs, some Italian sausage, and we'll have some nice eye round over here, and I'm going to make braciole today.
All right, so we get two recipes. We're getting our Sunday gravy and a braciole. All right, let's get cooking.
Let's do it. All right, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna make our braciole. You're gonna want to pound it out pretty thin because it's gonna have to cook. It's gonna have to cook in the gravy for a couple hours. I'm gonna leave a little bit of fat on there for flavor. It's not that much. All right.
All right.
All right, we got our eye round pounded out, nice. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna season it with salt and pepper, Italian parsley, garlic, and a little parmesan cheese.
Beautiful.
Then we're gonna roll it up, tie it, and then we're gonna braise it in the pot in a little olive oil.
All right.
And then that's it.
Let's do it.
And let's get started.
All right. All right. Hey, I want to give a shout out to my wife, Jerry Lee. She went and resurfaced these cabinets all by herself. She didn't get
Good
any
job.
help from me. But yeah, well, that's half the kitchen is done. All right, let's get cooking.
Okay, here we go. All right, we're gonna season our braciole. I got a little salt and pepper mixture here, make it a little easier. All right, we're gonna put a little garlic in here.
Nice. Yeah, folks, this is it's kind of a long process, but let me tell you, it is so worth the wait. I remember just salivating while my grandmother and my mother were cooking this
Like you are
Sunday
now.
dish. Yeah, exactly. We got a little ways to go, but it's definitely worth it.
All right, we put a little Parmesan cheese in there.
Oh yeah.
It looks beautiful already.
Yeah, this is gonna cook in the sauce, and it's just gonna melt in your mouth when you're eating it.
You have to remember, when you're cooking braciole, you got to make sure that you cook it a long time and it's real tender. Just stick a fork in it. If it goes in real easy, it's done. Otherwise, if it's not cooked long enough, it'll be very tough.
Yep.
All right, now I'm just gonna roll it up, just like that. See how easy that is?
Nice.
Now we're gonna tie it with some twine. Tie it up. Okay, we're gonna tie up our braciole with some string. Very easy. All you do is just wrap it around there and tie it up right here. And that's it.
Beautiful. All right.
Believe me when I tell you, no Italian restaurant has braciole like this. Except for the Brooklyn Brothers.
Here in Texas, that's for damn sure. And this is beef country out here, folks. Texas is known for their beef.
It's definitely great beef. Texas has
Yeah.
some incredible beef.
Yeah.
And great prices too.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
All right.
Oh, look at that.
Now that's a work of art.
Beautiful. Let's braise these puppies.
Okay, we're gonna braise our braciole in this pan right here.
Yeah, this is way too much meat to put all in this one pot.
to braise, but it's enough.
Just the braise, yeah.
Oh, what a work of art. Okay, we got our pork ribs here also to go in the gravy. We're going to season them up a little bit with some salt and pepper on both sides. All right. Okay. Go ahead. What you want to do is you want to get a nice sear on both sides. Oh man,
Smelling good already.
we're gonna sear now pork ribs and our sausage. I'm gonna put some in there too.
Yeah, we picked up this sausage, of course, you know where, folks? Jimmy's.
Great sausage.
Yes.
Incredible.
It'll add that
Smells
flavor.
delicious.
It'll definitely add that flavor to your sauce.
So fresh, it's unbelievable. And our meatballs, we normally fry them, our meatballs, but what I'm going to do today is I'm going to cook them right in the gravy.
Beautiful. Yeah, and we pre-made these meatballs. You can actually get this meatball recipe on our channel.
Oh yeah.
Oh, we have a symphony going on here. Hear that sound? Beautiful. And all this meat is going to give this sauce a wonderful flavor I probably haven't experienced before. Oh,
You want to get it that color all the way around, nice and seared. As well as the sausages too, and the pork ribs.
looking good. Dang, this is a big pot.
Yeah, this pot I have, I bought this probably maybe about 2 years before we opened up Daddy Jack's in Fort Worth. And it's probably about 25 years old.
Wow. Oh, look at that.
Yum, yum.
Oh my God. Nice. All right. Now we're going to put everything in one pot.
Got that beautiful sear on here.
Yeah. What's left in there? Ribs?
Yeah, pork ribs.
Now we're going to blend up some of these whole pear tomato.
Okay, we're going to start frying our onions and garlic and basil in this olive oil that we braised off all that beautiful meat in. All right. Almost there. A few more minutes for the onions and garlic to cook.
Smelling good.
Onions are ready, just about ready. Now I'm going to throw some fresh basil in there. Let it fry up for a sec.
Oh my God. Smelling great.
Oh, beautiful. All right, now I'm going to throw the tomatoes in there.
Beautiful.
Okay, I rinsed out the cans with a little water. I'm just going to add that to it because it's going to have to cook for about 2 hours and it'll evaporate.
2 hours? I can't wait that long. Come on. Put it on fast forward. Oh, that looks beautiful. Beautiful.
Let me get put some salt and pepper in here. Okay, we're going to put all of our meats in the gravy now. All the braciole and sausage,
Nice.
pork ribs, beautiful.
Oh, look at the bottom of that pot.
We're going to use those drippings here in a minute.
Nice. That's where a lot of flavor is just hanging out right now. Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
That's a concentrated broth right there.
All right.
It's all in a pot.
Okay, we're going to put a little bit of red wine to deglaze the bottom of that pan that we seared all the beautiful meats in.
Nice.
But first I'm going to have to try this wine.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, nice.
Let that cook out for about a minute, and then we're going to just put that right in the gravy.
Nice.
We're going to add a little bit of Parmesan cheese to our sauce, just a little bit.
Yeah, that gives it a really good flavor. I love that in the sauce.
And also, too, this is where we got this from Jimmy's. Great Parmesan cheese, fresh. Okay. When your sauce comes to a boil, you can put it on simmer for about another hour or so. But also, too, don't forget you have to keep turning the sauce constantly. Great.
Yeah, you don't want that sucker to stick.
You don't want it to burn on the bottom.
It will ruin that whole pot of sauce and meat. All right. 1 hour to go.
And that's it.
Actually.
Okay, we're just about there. I took out the ribs, the pork ribs, and the sausage, and I still have the meatballs and braciole cooking. The braciole's going to be a little longer.
Awesome. And now we're cooking the pasta. Sauce will be ready in
Yes,
about
indeed.
30 minutes.
Schiaffatoni.
Oh, beautiful. Look at that. Look like giant rigatoni. I love it.
All right, we're going to throw our pasta in there now.
All right.
Oh, that looks good.
Beautiful. Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna let that cook for what, about 10, 15 minutes?
Yeah, these take a little while longer than
Regular.
your domestic pastas.
Yeah.
I believe these are from Naples.
Ah, nice. Napoli.
Napolitan.
All right. I'll be back.
All right, our pasta's ready.
All right.
All right, we're gonna get our meatballs and braciole out of here too.
Beautiful. Oh, that sauce looks dynamite.
Hot.
Beautiful.
Well, let's eat.
All right, we are ready for our Sunday dinner, Mother's Day dinner. Beautiful pasta, braciole, sausage, meatballs, pork ribs, and we're gonna eat good today.
Heck yeah. Hey, I want to do a shout out to our neighbor Tammy and her husband. They're a subscriber in the neighborhood, and we're going to go ahead and fix them a plate also today. Wish y'all were close by as well. Anyway, no. Anything else?
No, happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to everyone.
Yes, happy Mother's Day. And thanks for watching. We appreciate the subscribers, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.
Take care. See you next week.
Bye.
Let's eat.